So Shay Mitchell has this awesome company that caters to all your travel needs. She sells duffel bags, weekend bags, makeup bags, and she recently launched a couple items, which this is one of them, which is the mini duffel bag. It retails for $73. This is actually my first purchase from her. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. So first things first, you have this cute little tag that is attached to the bag that has a picture of Shay with the name of her brand, which is béis-ics. And of course, the bag has the description of the item, which mine is the mini duffel bag. So there's a pocket in the front. And just so you can have a comparison, this is my iPhone XS Max. And you can have an idea of how deep this is. So it's a little bit shorter than an iPhone. So you have that compartment. And then you have the side compartment. And as you can see, I just got this bag. You could put your shoes, dirty gym clothes, maybe a wet bathing suit. And then you have the back part of the bag, which of course, let me take this out. You have this, so you can just slide in your suitcase handle. So I can't tell you how many times I've put my actual bag on there and it's fallen so many times. So I'm excited to actually try this out to see how this holds up. Of course, you have another side view with her name of her brand, which says béis-ics. And I think this strap is actually kind of neat because if you think about it, you could actually hang it or hold it from here for a better grip. And then the straps, of course, that come with the bag. And let's go ahead and open the bag. Go ahead and take this out. Inside the bag, you have this cute laundry bag that comes with it. Let me just go ahead and attach this. I think this is so funny. It says dirt bag. And you have a nice size laundry bag. This is so cute. And then you have a little attachment here where you could just attach your laundry bag, or maybe you have another bag that you want to use to attach. The fact that it opens this wide makes it so easy and convenient for you to actually be able to pack your things. I'm going to go ahead and actually pack some things in here just so you guys can have an idea of how it will look. So I'm going to go ahead and pack some gym clothes, sports bra, 2 sports bras, a sweater. Maybe I want to put my hat in here. I don't know, just because. Maybe I want to pack a shirt. Maybe have some dirty clothes. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right in there as well. Go ahead and zip that up. Can't forget my shoes. And of course I can't forget my phone. And then there you go. This is how the bag will look after you went ahead and packed some few things. As you can see, I still have plenty of room to add more things. I think this bag is so cool. I love the fact it's see-through. I know a lot of people might not like the idea because, of course, you want people looking at your stuff, which is understandable. But I just love the style, and I think it's different. It's really, really cool. I definitely can't wait to use this in an upcoming trip that I have coming up. I just wanted to show you how big the bag is compared to me. It's a pretty good size, just so you guys have an idea. And yeah. So I hope this video helped you guys who were thinking about buying this mini duffel bag. Once again, it retails for $73, and you could get this on her website, which is béis, B-E-I-S. I think they also sell this at Nordstrom as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.